Today I'm going to be doing a eye colour contact lenses video today, and I'm really excited. I've never ever tried eye contact before. My eyes are quite good. I've had my eyes tested before like 3 times because when I was in school I really wanted to have glasses, so I used to pretend like I had really bad eyes, and I used to be like, Mum, I need to go get an optician's. I used to say it to teachers as well, so they'd tell Mum and parents evening. So Mum took me to the optician's like 3 times, and every single time he was like, your eyes are really good, you don't need glasses. I was like, oh. So then I used to buy 50p ones from Claire's Accessories, so yeah, I used to get those. So I've never tried them before. I'm really excited to try them. I think I'll have to pause this video a few times and go and watch YouTube videos on how to put in eye contact lenses, because I've never put them before. Really nervous. I've done my makeup and I really feel like my eyes are going to start watering and it's going to go all over my face. So today I'm doing a video in collaboration with Ttdeye, the third eye. I'm really excited to open this box. First of all, the PR, the packaging is absolutely amazing on this. So that's what I'm going to do today. So if you do enjoy this video, please leave a massive like, subscribe and comment videos that you'd like to see. Please subscribe. I'm nearly at 30k now. I'm really happy with my goal that I've achieved in 2019, and I hope to achieve so much more in 2020. So that's a fire alarm. I think my mum's cooking. So yeah, my Instagram is Emilymonks1 and my Snapchat is emo112. I love you all so much. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, please click the watermark here, and this will just subscribe to me. You don't have to come out of the video, and you can continue to subscribe to me. And if you do enjoy these videos, then you'll receive more of them. I should post at least 3 times a week, and I'm updating my schedule to Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and that's the days I will post, definitely, and then I might post extra videos throughout the week, so stay tuned for that. I love you all so much. Let's get into the video. So first of all, the packaging is absolutely unreal. It's got the Ttdeye logo on it with the cool colouring around the ring, and it's got all of the instructions on the back, so I'll be needing those because I have never ever done them. Lots of warnings on there. I am going to take a picture of the warnings and put them up because I don't want you guys to be watching my video thinking that I'm knowing everything that I'm doing, and I'll probably do something wrong that I'll probably be dangerous, and I don't want you guys' eyes to get messed up. Always wash your hands before you start messing with your eyes. And yeah, don't sleep in eye contact lenses. I mean, I've never put eye contact lenses in, but please don't sleep in them. That's like the most stupid thing ever. Okay, so the PR looks like this. This is so cute. Look at the cute little fairy tale background. I think that's really pretty. And you also get this little elf, which is dead. Look at this cute little elf that you get. I don't know what it is. I think it's an elf. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It's just part of the packaging. Yeah, very cute. So this is what the box looks like. It's got all these cool holographic packages, and it's got 4 contact lens boxes as well. And everything is packaged so you can tell it's never been opened before. Please ignore that burn on my hand. And you get, I've got some tattoos that you stick on your hand and then you put the cloth on. Some of these, which is a little card if you're going to give this to somebody. And it's got a little envelope in as well. We've got a own handheld mirror, a little cute mirror that you can put in your bag for work, and what I can use to put my contacts in. So this should be fun. They come in these. So let's open these. The Ttdeye logo on the contacts and the holographic foil on there. So these are the, I think they're kind of green but kind of just white eye contacts. You get 2 eye contacts for each eye. Okay, so these are almost the same colour, like a lighter green. Okay, once you've learnt to get them in, they're so much easier to get in. So I'm going to come back when the other one's in. So this is what it looked like. Ooh. Oh, these are really pretty. These are really, really pretty. I love them. This gorgeous green colour. I really, really love these. I'm feeling myself in these. So the next colour I got is Queen Green. And these are like the other ones, but very green. These are far more greener than the other ones. Okay, so the next ones I'm going to be trying are these Queen Green ones.
So, let's try it. I'm so excited.
Okay, so next I have these ones, and they don't have a sticker on, so I don't know what colour they are. Okay, oh yes, these are my favourite. These are like a bluey green colour. These are really pretty. I like these a lot. There we go. Oh my god, these are so cool. This is what it looks like. Ooh. Okay, so these are what these ones look like. These are so cool. So I'm so impressed with these. These are just amazing. I mean, I don't think I suit them, but for somebody who wants dark blue eyes or like a greenier blue eyes, I think this is just so beautiful. They're incredible. The different colours in them are absolutely insane. They've done such a good job. I'm really, really impressed. But you got to understand when my eyes start watering, it's because I never had like stuff like this in my eyes before. But these are just so beautiful. And the last pair are like these white ones. I'm not sure. They're like white coloured. These are more for like Halloween time, I think, and makeup, weird makeup looks. But these are really cool. Okay, I've got it in. I've got it in. Woo! Okay. So I'm just tapping up my makeup on this side. We're gonna put in the contact lens. So that was really difficult. So this is my natural eye, and this is the contact lens. So this is actually incredible. Like, I'd believe that I have blue eyes if I saw myself with just this blue. So yeah, this is what I'm looking like with one eye each colour. So now I'm gonna go and put the other blue in and see how it goes. Okay, so now I've got this one in and I've showed you how I put it in. I'm gonna put this one in, and when I've got it in, I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I've finally got both in. This is what I'm looking like. Can you see them? Can you see them? This dress is starting to really annoy me. This is what they look like. Voila. So this one's really, really comfortable. Isn't really enjoying this time being in my eyeball. I'm quite excited to get them out. But these are so beautiful. Like, look at my eyes. I love my eyes brown, and I think I'll always have my eyes brown. I don't think I'll wear contacts like these on a regular. But if you have brown eyes and you want blue eyes that are like a greyish colour, these are so, so stunning. And they were kind of hard to get them in, but they were my first time putting in eye contacts. Also, the brightness of my flash is really, really doing my head in. Let me just turn my flash off. I'm so sorry, I've just forgot that everybody hates it when I chew, and I've just been chewing the past 2 clips, so I've took my gum out now I've remembered. So if you don't like it, I'll try and cut out most of the chewing, but yeah. So this is, oh, ignore my makeup, but this is a close-up of my eyes. You would never guess. Just give them that side eye. Okay, so now I have the joys of trying to take these out. Sadly, everybody, we've come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a massive like, subscribe, and comment videos that you'd like to see. I've really, really, really enjoyed filming this video. Again, the light flash is kind of making my eyes a little bit sensitive, but nothing too crazy. My eyes are just sensitive at the moment, and especially the flash, it makes them a little bit worse. So I'm going to add all the warnings now at the end of the video. I'm going to put them through the video as well, just to make sure you guys don't do anything dangerous with your eyes. I mean, like, I'm not too fussed about my own, like, health, or whatever you, however you call it, like self-care. Like, I don't really care about my eyes, so I've just done it the quickest way possible, putting them in and out. But please, please make sure you know how you're doing it. Don't use this as a tutorial. Look, use this as, these are contacts that I've been sent, and I've done a review on them. They've been absolutely amazing. So please buy from Ttdeye, because these contacts are absolutely fantastic. They're so comfortable, and just don't, if you're going to put them in, watch a professional video on how to put your contacts in, then watch my video as well. Watch my video first and watch your professional one, because this is definitely not the easiest way to put them in, but it's my way. So I love you all very, very much. Thank you for watching.